Alright, you ready? Amanda, okay, pause. You ready? Not, don't hit it too hard. Oh. Oh. Wait, her titty's coming out. Amanda, your nipple coming out too, buddy. Yeah. Maybe I should keep your tank top on. Round two. No, she don't. No, she don't. That was an extra spare hit, dog. You hit that. That's how you know. She don't fight like that. Amanda, get closer. All right, look. Hold up. Get closer.
Don't hit. Wait, I can't hit? Don't hit. Don't hit. Don't hit. Just take it. I ain't hit you like that. This is my city.
Ooh. Ooh. Hit him with a stick. Stay the right way so I can see y'all. Darn it.
Oh, you keep hitting. I didn't mean to hit you.
About to kick you next.